Now, after his heroics in the first test match against Bangladesh, the challenge facing new West Indies batting hero Kyle Mayers is overcoming the substantial weight of expectations that will be placed on his shoulders going into the second test with a match-winning double century on debut and a batting average of 250. The likelihood of coming back down to human levels of normalcy is real as the Windies push for their first away test series win in over a decade. For sure, the coaching staff and all the players must be locked in, but especially the super performers like Mayers and Nkrumah Bonner. They must approach this second test like a new day's play and a brand new innings. Obviously, Mayers' batting average will not stay at 250. He's unlikely to score another double century right now, but at least give us the same attitude, give us the same fight, and trust me, the results will come. I mean, beating Bangladesh in a two-test series will not be the solution to West Indies cricket problems and will not propel us around that never-ending corner, but it will surely give us hope.